1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, last time, 20 times. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg, last time, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Everybody face up. Okay, relax. Bend your knee. Just relax. Relax your back. Just stay there. Breathe. Just hold there. Relax your whole body. Beautiful. Stay. Okay, right now, everybody legs straight. Okay, you up as much as you can. If you can touch on the floor, touch on the floor. Stay here for 16 counts. Stay there. Four more counts. Okay, girls. Ooh, you survived. Oh my gosh. I hope I can lose 10 pounds. Okay. Okay, girls. Give you a little break. Drink water. We stand up. We do release. Okay? Drink water. Go to bathroom. Okay, girls, back. Let's do relay. Since right now your foot have energy, we with the bar first, and then we with bar. Okay, so when you get lost the stamina, we with bar. Okay, so right now no bar, both leg. Okay, arm do whatever you want. Here, here, whatever you want. Okay, 16 times, and also 16 times, also 16 times. So right now you have no chance push bar. Okay. Ready, girls? Everybody? Still make your leg heel as high as you can. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Ready? One leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful on your balance. Straighten your knee. Good. Yes. And other side. Go on. 1, 2. Good. Balance. And finish down. Okay, stretch. Heel. Stay. Don't move. Stretch your heel. Okay, chin the legs. Stretch. And walk to the bar. Face to the bar. 16. 1. Okay, slow down the music. Okay, ready? 16 again. 1, 2, good. High heel. 8 more. One leg. And chin leg. Eight more. And step back, stretch. You have to do one more time from very beginning. Again. Okay? We go a little bit more than regular class. Ready, everybody? First patient, get ready. We do one last time, home side. Ready? Go up. 1, 2, 3. Good girl. Keep heel high. 2. One leg. Good. Good. Other side. Last one. Last 8. 1, 2. Good. Step back, stretch. And other side stretch. Hold. And up, finish. Okay, so put your mat here. Let's do the jump, okay? So, first position, 16 jump. Second position, 16 jump. And fifth position, 16 jumps. And open, close 8 times. Okay? So non-stop. Ready, everybody? With music, jump. And jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second. 2, 3, 4, 16. Stop it, use it. Second. Right up, fix. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Continue for more. Go, 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 don't stop. Yes, finish it up. Okay. Relax a little. Okay, relax a little, okay? Don't stop, okay? If you cannot point your toes, that's okay. Right now it's about your stamina, okay? So, we will start from very beginning one more time. First position 16, second position 16, fifth position 16, open, close, 16 counts, okay? Ready? And